talking. First, we start with introduction. Myself, Dr. A.R. Chaudhary, MD, physician. There is my hospital is at Jodhpur, Sri IG Hospital, for Krishnanagar. It is 25 bedded hospital. Before that, I retired from Delhi CGHS. I worked in Ram Manohar Lohia Hospital and Safdarjung Hospital for 30 years, and I passed my MD from R&D Medical College. So this is I generally hesitate before going to media, but at this time, the coronavirus epidemic is very rampant, and it has almost engulfed all the states of our country and world over all the countries. So I want to make how I saved myself from, and how other people should prevent this viral infection. It is particularly true for those who are at high risk, healthcare workers, for nursing staff, Safai Karmi, police Karmi, or those who go in offices and shopkeepers and other working persons. There is an incubation period of 1 to 2 days, I think, and the virus remains in a free-floating condition in the airway, in the nasal cavity, in the throat, in the upper tracheobronchial tree, or in the lower respiratory tract, in a free-floating state for at least 4 to 6 hours or 6 to 8 hours. So we should attack the virus during this period. That is important, because after that, suppose it penetrates the tissue, then the procedures will not be that effective, because the virus is more lethal in the cold countries rather than in the hot and hot countries. So I think at some point virus will be sensitive to heat, and the mucous membrane of our nasal mucosa and mouth, it is quite hot resistant. I think it is more hot resistant than the virus itself. So we should use this quality of mucous membrane of mouth and nasal cavity to attack this virus by a warm water or slightly more than warm, but not exactly a water of hot. So if it is natural, then our ancestors must have prevented it during by using fire and hot drinks only in times, because they only know about fire and all these things. Of course, they were living in the open, but in the 10,000 years of evolution of a mankind, if it is natural, the virus must have appeared earlier on. So there are four stages which we should follow to combat this COVID-19 infection. First is nasal wash, second is throat wash, third is upper tracheobronchial, and fourth is lower bronchioles and alveoli. So for nasal wash, I think I should demonstrate in the nasal wash, throat wash, and tracheobronchial wash should be, and even your lower respiratory tract, it should be done in a bathroom. Bathroom should be ventilated, but the door should be closed, so that suppose free floating virus is there in your respiratory tract, it should not affect household of your others. So I think we start with nasal wash. You take the